Back in February we learned that Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Note 10 will likely feature a quad-lens camera on the back. Then last month we found out that there will definitely be a 5G version of the Galaxy Note 10, and a rumor just last week said that the phone might feature a bold new design with no physical buttons at all. Those details are all compelling, but Monday morning's Galaxy Note 10 leak blows them all away. Last week I've talked about a very cool feature coming to some Android phones right now. That feature, which is about to debut on a new Oppo smartphone, is 10x hybrid zoom. It combines optical zoom with enhanced digital zoom to enable shockingly clear zoomed photos. This image samples will blow you away, but it appears as though they're nothing compared to what's coming on Samsung's Galaxy Note 10 later this year. According to Samsung Insider Ice Universe, the Galaxy Note 10 will feature a 100x optical hybrid zoom camera and a 1x1.2 192 megapixels camera. Those aren't typos, that's 100x hybrid zoom, and a whopping 192 megapixels, if the leak is accurate, and Ice Universe is almost always accurate when he leaks inside information about unreleased smartphones. It'll give the Galaxy Note 10 a huge selling point beyond the exciting new features we already expect, such as a new all-screen design, an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, and nifty new S Pen features. If the Galaxy Note 10 that can take 100x zoomed photos that are anywhere near as clear as this 10x image samples, it is absolutely going to blow people's minds. Samsung is expected to unveil the Galaxy Note 10 at some point in August 2019, so we'll undoubtedly see plenty more leaks before it hits store shelves. Please help me by sharing this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel and to click on the bell, to be notified with the latest uploaded video. Thanks a lot for your time.